Hello everybody. Going to be doing a Seafoam treatment on my upper engine, top engine. A lot of people have used this. A lot of people are scared to use this. And I'm going to be using a 2018 Malibu. I have to have a second person help me because it's an electronical throttle body. So I can't keep it at 2000 RPM without somebody pushing on the gas. So I'll have my girlfriend in there pushing on the gas. There's the instructions. There's all the red fine print. There's how you install it. I kind of just shoot it in. Plus it's winter time. There's less dirt in the air. I've done this once before, and now I got 300,000 miles on the car. So didn't hurt too much. A lot of people don't understand this is oil based. It smells just like WD-40. And some videos, people are like, oh my gosh, look at all the smoke that comes out the rear. Well, smoke is supposed to come out the rear because it's oil. So when your exhaust burns oil, when you have an oil burner car, like an old Civic or something, neon, it burns oil. It shoots oil out the back. It smokes white. When you put this in there, you're going to hot box it. And then when you start your car and take off, it's going to shoot out white, just like normal oil. I don't know if you really would consider that cleaning. The only way to really know if this works is if it fixed an issue you had, or is if you tear apart the engine after you've done this. I'm kind of using it as preventive maintenance, hoping that it does something, because I already use Lucas in it every now and then, and heat, very high mileage. So I try to do everything, make it last forever. Comes with this nice thing I just dropped in my... Comes with this. This goes around your air cleaner as it shows. And that stops it from pinching it and crushing this tube. Then you just hold it on for 10 minutes and empty the can. You want to loosen up right after the air cleaner. Make sure that's on there so it doesn't squeeze it and break it. I'm going to put it in there real quick. Go. Using that to stop it from pinching it. Have it upside down, and you just hold on. Have somebody else hold the gas down. Okay. I have to have somebody hold the gas down because mine's electronical, so you can't make it sit at 2000 RPM. Yeah, go until the bottle's gone. Been about 10 minutes now. The can gets lighter. You can't really hear it. You can feel it through the nozzle, kind of like a spinning pill. But I'm holding my camera. But you just pull that straw off, shoot it out in the open, see if there's any in it. If none comes out, you've emptied the whole can. I just emptied my whole can, and you shut the car off. Alright, shut the car off. Now you let it sit for 10 minutes. Hot boxing. We're good. Push this back on. Tighten this back down. Just let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay. So we have just starting the car up. Let all the gauges do its thing. Now it says to basically beat the hell out of your car for a few seconds. So I'm going to get my car out by the road. Now remember I said it's oil that you just dumped into your car. basically WD-40 it looked like. So of course it's gonna smoke white. Well, I was gonna let you guys see how much smoke comes out. I'm doing it in the winter, so it's almost dark. It says to basically accelerate rapidly, which is great because where I live, you always have to like accelerate rapidly out anyways. That's where you're gonna see the smoke. It'd be cool if there was a car behind me because it kind of just disappeared. There it goes. There's what it looks like out the back. The last time I did it, I had quite a bigger smoke cloud. I couldn't even see behind me, so I'm gonna pull off here and see if I can get, maybe I accelerate again. A lot of people freak out saying it's a turbo that could hurt your turbo. This is a turbo. It hasn't hurt it yet. My second time doing this now. I would say that was the oil burning. Didn't much didn't come out. First time I did it was at 50,000 miles. That was 300,000 miles. So I would think it would have a lot on it. Let's do a total stop and take off. That was up to 70. No more white smoke, so I'd say it shot it out. Just remember to drive your car before you do this. It says hot box, which means the engine already needs to be warmed up, and it needs to be before you put it in, and then you just kind of let it sit there like it's out in the sun for 10 minutes. I did 15, but I'm not going to record that whole time. And yeah, I got 300,000 miles on the body. You see 140 there. This is a tow car, so you got to times that by 2. So it's, but yeah, and my car continues on with $0 spent on it. 150,000 miles on the engine and 300,000 on the body and transmission. So this is great. Car's paying for itself. Hopefully you like this video, and I trust the product. I'd do it again. I'll do it in another 100,000 miles.